Hi everyone. That was the voice of our suffering planet. As we broke our Earth, we have to fix it, to sustain and enable ourselves to endure on Earth. To fundamentally solve our problem, we looked into the profound of global warming and saw that nearly 70% of greenhouse gas distribution generated by energy and energy-related activities. In this project, the aim is changing energy consumption patterns and demand according to renewable energy availabilities. Simply, the NEM framework calculates carbon emission per kilowatt hour and enables consumption planning with respect to environment. As the idea and technology are new, enabling quick observation and easy understanding was important. For that reason, the content information of energy demonstrated an environmentally safe to hazardous metric in smart grid interface. In addition to that, advanced carbon emission, cost, and peak load data served. Also, we offered a labeling method to identify all energy-related activities and energy-embodied products, which called Greenness ID. It gives you information about carbon emission, but instead of data, it uses a tree group which dedicate their existing for a certain amount of time to cure the harm like backward effort to close the emission loop without hazardous effect. Also, it enables consumer to compare and visualize the environmental impact of their acts. With using suggested framework, environmentally safe energy consumption will be accomplished, sustainability team easily presented, and promotion of costly but higher added value green market products will be generalized with using green marks. So let's ask the people.
I think I'd choose that one because it just looks pretty cool and trendy. Do any celebrities use it?
What if Rihanna uses it?
Then I would definitely choose that one.
Oh, cool. And you?
I would choose the one with the green mark because I think it's important to spread awareness about sustainability.
Oh, cool. Thank you. Thank you guys all. Here's the product, and this is the video shot.